When we are talking about, the law being impartial, that is true. Jurors are not always impartial. So that is one thing that is going to be super important. I mean, it is in literally any case that goes to trial, is you want to make sure that you have people that are impartial, that don't really know anything about this case, aren't particularly interested in celebrity or, or Hollywood, but also aren't antagonistic to it either.
Yes.
So have you had any thoughts about, about some of the ideal, I don't know, jurors that they might want to get or something? I don't know. I'm kind of off the cuff here with this
Yeah,
question.
no, I've had that question kind of come up a lot, and I may be a little bit unconventional when it comes to jury selection, and part of that is just because most of my career has been as a public defender. I don't have resources for like jury consultants and things like that who can really break it down on a theoretical kind of level. I just had to learn how to do it by doing it. And so my view of jury selection is really that it's the connection with the jurors that matters. That's the entire point of the voir dire process, is being able to identify the people that are going to be receptive to you, and identifying the ones that are going to be closed off. And it really is just, from my perspective, it's that simple. If I feel like you like me and we can talk, I'm going to pick you for my jury. If you're going to be closed off to certain ideas I'm going to be putting out there for you, then, maybe this one isn't going to be the one I want you for.
Yeah. Yeah, no, for sure. And that's, because, one of the things in trial advocacy courses that I took that was talking about jury selection, they went through so many funky ways that attorneys will try to pick a jury, like asking them about, like, what kind of bumper stickers do you have on your car?
Yeah.
Like, there are so many more revealing questions that you can ask a person to, like, learn about them. That's not what is a random sticker on your car.
Yeah, and I think a lot of that type of approach is it's kind of counterintuitive, because it's really focusing on stereotyping people. And, not only is that not necessarily a valid way to identify who's going to be, potentially beneficial to you in this case. But I just feel like that would be off-putting as a juror. I don't think I would like that, because I know that you're trying to typecast me. You're trying to put me in a box. And I think I would resent that to some extent. So
that's a very good point. I don't think I've ever actually thought about that. Because let's say that person ends up on the jury and only one side has asked a stereotyping question. You're like, okay, I see how you view this world. I see how you view me. Let's see how I view you.
Yeah.
So, I could totally see that happening here.